Oh wait. Here. Hey guys, welcome back to... You're calling me? Yeah, yep. Okay, if you say so. I'm doing an intro, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Got Video Collection. And that's the intro. Back to you, bro. Thank you, bro. No problem, back to you. If you're wondering who was that, that was my twin, okay? So, today I'm gonna be tutorial you how to solve a one piece of Rubik's Cube. You have seen a Rubik's Cube, but it's gone, I promise. I promise you it's gone. Look! Something there. Oh, you saw it again. Since the Rubik's Cube is right here, we tricked you guys. Let's get to the video. So we're gonna be solving a one layer Rubik's Cube. Let's shuffle this. So guys, I know you've been seeing me solving a one layer Rubik's Cube. So my favorite color is green, so I'm gonna be solving green. So first thing is you're gonna find the middle piece, which is this. You will do a cross. This is easy. Do it like this. Just another one here. There it is. Still gonna solve the other one. Ta-da! I did a cross. Wait first. There we go. So now we're gonna be doing this. I don't feel like tutorial right now because it's kind of hard to explain. Boom. So see in your clocks if how many I can solve this thing. There. So now let's get started. So I'm just gonna solve the yellow part. Let's do it. See in your clocks how many minutes I can do this. Go. Just count, okay. Bigger. That's how you do it. I'm gonna throw this to a twin. Here you go, twin. Oh, what was that for, you little snaker? Well, that was nothing. I'm gonna get revenge. Hey, what are you doing? Ow, ow, ow! Okay, I'm not gonna do it again. Ha, I got your ponytail. Give it back or something else will happen. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, I'm giving it back. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. You two, stop fighting there. Who are you? I'm the watcher. Okay. Say goodbye, I guess. But can you say goodbye first? Okay. Bye. You. Bye. You. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're wondering how did I do that, there's some magic trick that I can do. I got this Minnie Mouse shirt. Then see, I got this t-shirt. Let's see, I got this teeth there. So now it's back to normal. If you want to, how did it jump? So hope you guys enjoyed the video and this was like button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.